I am going to explain about enumerated type or enum keyword in C programming. In last class, I explained about union concept in C programming, and also I explained about what are the differences between structure and union. In today, the enumerated type is also called as what user defined data type. Now, what is the use of the enumerated type? We will see in the example. Here, it is a user defined data type, but what is the use of the enumerated type? It is used to assign the names to the integral constants. What is the meaning of that statement is it is assign the names to the integral constant. What is integral constant? Integral constant means either integer or character, which are called as what? Integral constants. You can able to assign the names to the either integer constant or character constant, which makes a program. Why we use? Okay, the user can easily read and maintain, because which makes the program easy to read and maintain. Okay, for reading purpose, we can easily maintain this kind of applications whenever using the enumerated type. But how do you declare the enumerated type in C program? The enum is the keyword is used to declare the enumerations. Okay, enumerated type is also called as what? Enumerations. But what is the syntax? Enum is the keyword. Enum name, enumerated name, followed by the constants, because it is the integer constants are constant 1, constant 2, constant n, followed by the semicolon. Okay, there enum is what? Keyword. Enum name, just what is the name you are giving, that's why it is a user defined data type. Enum name should be given by the user or programmer. Okay, based on application you can use your own name. Then constant 1, constant 2 up to constant n. There is no restriction to declare 2 constants or 3 constants or 4 constants. Based on your application, you can able to define or declare a number of constants. Then at the end of the enum, you should able to put a semicolon. Okay, this is the what? Declaration of the enumerations or enum keyword. Okay, this is the keyword, this is the name of the enumerated type. You can able to declare the constants over here. At the end of the declaration, you should able to put a semicolon. Got my point? As per that syntax, I will write the example. Enum, then enum name, suppose day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday, Sunday. Here, these are called as constants. Here it is a keyword. What is the enum name we are giving over here? The name of the enum is day. Then what are the constants we declared here? The Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Then suppose another example. Suppose fruits, mango, apple, orange, like that. Yeah, any example you are going to give over here. But why we use enumerated type in C programming? Okay, while explaining the program, I will tell you. Wait for it. Okay, these are syntaxes. As per the syntaxes, I have given the two examples. Okay, this is one of the example as given as per the syntax. This is another example. Okay, another month. Enum is the keyword month. Then you can able to give January, February, March, like that, December. Okay, based on application, which one is suitable, which application is suitable to use the enumerated type, then we can use the enumerated type in C programming. Then here if you want to, then I will write the example. With help of the example I will explain you. After that, why we use what is called enumerated or enumeration constants. Okay, these enumerated are which is also called as enumeration constant. Enumeration constants. Got my point? Which are also called as enumeration constants. Example, enum, suppose fruits, then orange, mango, apple, then grapes, okay, then followed by the semicolon. Then here white male, here you declare this enum enumerated type either outside the main or inside the main, there is no problem. Okay. Then for example, how the constants will be assigned to these names? It is used to assign the names to the integral constant. But how assign the names to the integral constant? Either integral constant, integer or character. Okay. Then whenever you display the orange value, but what is the value? Okay. What are the default values whenever the constant has been declared? What is the default values of the enumeration constants are? This will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3. The first constant default value is 0, then after that the value is incremented by 1. Here the orange value becomes 0, the mango value becomes 1, the apple value becomes 2, then it is called as, that's why it supports only integral constants. Okay. Then how it is supported the character constant, I will tell you. Then printf, for example, then orange equal percentage, because it is only supported the integer, then orange. Okay. Then printf, then mango equal percentage d, then mango. Then printf apple percentage d, then apple. Then printf grapes percentage d, then grapes. Then when you compile this program, then what is the output you are going to get? Because I did not assign any values to the enumeration constant, then I display the enumerations constant value in the main function, but how the output will be displayed? Because whenever you display the orange, output 0, this value should be 1, this value should be 2, this value should be 3. Because by default the compiler will assign the default values to the what are they called enumeration constant. The first enumeration constant default value is 0, then the next one subsequently enumeration constants are incremented by 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. If you want to initialize manually, yeah, it is possible. Okay. Then look at here. The mango equal to, then apple, then grapes. Because the mango names with initialize, it is initialized to value 2. The remaining are default values. But here, what is the default values of this one? 1, 0, sorry. The mango value, what is the mango values? 2. But what is the subsequent constants values? What is the value of apple? What is the value of grapes? Then what is the mango? The subsequent value are incremented by 1. Then it is becomes 3, it is becomes 4. 3, 4. Because it is default value 0. The mango as initialized with value is 2. Then what are the subsequent enumerated constants which are incremented by 1? It is 2 because the next increment it is incremented by 1. The value becomes 3 and 4. Then 0, 2, 3, 4. This is the output. Got my point? For example, suppose 6. Here what is the output we get it? The orange value is default value 0. The mango is initialized to 2. Then apple it does not initialize it because its value gets incremented by 1. 3. The grape value is what? Initialized to 6. The 6 will be displayed. Got my point? Yeah. This is the how we can able to initialize. It is a constant because the value can't be changed. Whenever the value is assigned some fixed value, if you don't change those kind of values, generally we could able to use enumerated type or enumeration concepts. Here suppose mango equal to 3. If you write like this, it is undefined symbol because you are going to get the error. It is not possible to change the value. If you want to change, you can change over areas, but you can't change in the program itself. Okay, whatever the values you assigned to the particular enumeration constants, if you want to change those values, you can change it here only. But in the program itself, we can't change these values. That's why we can able to use what is called enumerated type constants. Got my point? Then, for example, here here previously the integer values are assigned to the enumeration constants. At this time, the characters are assigned to the names enumerated constants. How the output will be displayed? Then it is by default it is value 0. Mango is initialized with the capital letter A character. What is the ASCII value of the character A? Okay, character will be converted to the integer. Then what is the ASCII value of the capital A? Then the capital is ASCII value is 65. What is the subsequent? Because apple is not initialized with any value, then its value becomes incremented by 1, then 66. Anyway, graphics are initialized with the 6, then 6 will be displayed. Because that's why it is assigned the names to the integral constant. Because either you can assign the integer constants or else character constants. Both are collectively called as what? Integral constants. Got my point? This is another example of the enumerated type. Either you can assign the integer value or else character value. So characters. Okay. Then you take any example. I have taken the simple example. But how to declare the variable to the enumerated type? It is like a syntax of the structure or union. Then enum, or else you can able to declare over here or here. There is no problem. Enum then fruits enum name, and then for example E. Then what is A? You can able to declare X. Okay. Then enum Ix comma Y comma Z. Then enum fruits. Then Y. Then here out X equal to suppose orange. Then Y equal to mango. Here instead of E, we can able to write the X, Y. What is the orange value becomes 0. What is the X value? Because here you should write the statements X equal to orange, Y equal to mango. What is the orange value? 0. This 65. This is 66. It is value 6. Then what is the X value become 0. What is the Y value? Then 65. Sorry, here. What is the Y value? 65. It becomes 0. Again 65, 66, again 6. Because you can able to declare the variable to the enumerated type also. But what is the syntax to declare the variable? If you want to store the enumeration constants in the variable itself, it is possible. Then here whatever the variable x or y variable of the enum keyword, then we can store these enumeration constants into the x and y variables. It is possible. Then either you can directly display these values, or else you can store the enumeration constants in the particular variable of the enum keyword. Then we can use those variables into your program. Got my point? Okay, this is what is the syntax and declaration, and how do you initialize the enumerated type in C programming, and also how to declare the variable of the enumerated type. This is a simple example I has given. You have to take any kind of example. Okay, any kind of example it is possible. Got my point? Then if you have any doubt regarding this topic, please post your query in the comment box window. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all for watching my videos.